So I'm going to show you how to use an audio MP3 plugin. So you have a little MP3 player here. I like this particular MP3 player. There's quite a few of them out there. You can change them if you want, but this particular one is called WP Audio Gallery Playlist. It's been activated. So then once it's activated, when you insert a specific or go to a page that you want to insert it in and use the functions that it's designed to respond to, then it will give you what you want, but you got to learn how to use it. So I'm going into the music page here, and this particular plugin has been set up so that if you paste this code, this WP audio playlist code, you see with the square brackets and just as you see it there, into any page, then you'll get the playlist. So once the plugin has been activated, it's been turned on, installed and turned on, then when you click on Upload Insert Media, then any MP3s that you add will show up in that gallery or a specific individual post. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to add to a gallery. So you just, when you get to the point of adding media files to your computer, click on the gallery. So these are MP3s I've already uploaded. Those are the ones that you see here, right? So you've added the media, you've clicked on the Add Media file, and you've clicked on the gallery. So this is how I'm showing you to add a file to the gallery. Oops, actually you go back, and you got to add the file first from the computer. You got to go back to the computer, and then you got to, I'm going to upload a test MP3, and just drag and drop. Okay, it's crunching it. Usually takes longer than that because I only made this test sample just 3 seconds. So it's sitting there. Now you don't insert into post yet because that's if you want an individual one. We're showing you how to do the gallery. So you click to the gallery, and now you're going to see that MP3 in the gallery. So that's where we want it now. We just put it where we can drag and drop it right there. That would be the third song, say test MP3. I'm going to put it as the second one. And then you don't click on Insert Gallery. That would put a new one. You just close it, and it should be enough. So let's test it. I'm going to go to the music page. I'm refreshing, and it should show up top. Let's see if it does. Test MP3, there it is. And I play it, and it's some jazz guitar. I'm just closing it there. Now notice there's no picture on the left because the other ones have pictures. And I'll just show you how to insert the picture. So you go to the page where you have your code for the WP audio plugin, and you just click on Upload Insert, and you just ignore the option to drop media files into the computer because you're just editing at this point. So I'm going to go to the gallery, which is where I can, and you see that I have the test MP3 in there. Now I'm going to show it, and this is the link URL, or actually the caption is where you I'm going to go to one of the other ones here. I'm going to show here, water from the spring. So you see that, oops, I turned it off, went on too quickly. So the one of the previous ones I had inserted that picture. So the link URL, what I had done is I had gone to the media library and I uploaded a picture of that particular size. I think it's 150 pixels or whatever. I'd have to check. And then I grabbed that. I'm going to have to show you that, but the shortcut to way to do it is under the caption. See, that's the link to the picture, and it's under the caption. So I'm just copying that from a previous one I've done, and I'm going to go to the test MP3, and under caption I'm pasting in that code to that particular picture, and then I'm doing a save. Or is there a save on this? I don't want to do an insert gallery. I know that. Let's see, test MP3. Let's just see, hide. Okay, let's see if it shows up. Oh, you know what? I saw save all changes there. It probably won't do it until I save all changes. Let me just do a refresh and see what happens here. I'll probably have to redo pasting in that. So yeah, it's definitely not there. So I forgot to save all changes, so that's not a bad thing for you to see, because that's something we want to do all the time. So we'll do it again, upload insert, and then we're going to go to the playlist, because the audio, we're going to go to the gallery, I should say, not the playlist, but the gallery. And then we're going to see our test MP3s in there. We're going to show it, and in the caption, that's where we're going to paste in the code for the picture, and then we're going to go to save all change. Whoops, save all changes. Now it should be in there. Let's see what happens. Go to the music, and I'm going to do a refresh on this, and that test MP3 now should have the picture associated with it. So let's see if it did. Yeah, when we click on it, it does. Good. So it's there. Okay, so that's working. So that is how to insert an MP3, a new MP3 to the playlist. So again, you just click on upload insert, and then you navigate to the gallery. Well, if you wanted to add a new MP3, first you drag and drop it onto your computer, and then you go to the gallery, and then you position it to where you want in the gallery. All right, so what I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to bail out of this, and I'm going to show you how to insert an MP3 in some other place other than the playlist. So let's put it right here, right before Kiss the Ground. So I've just put the little cursor where we want it. You can see the kind of the flashing finger there, or not the finger, but just the line. And then I go to upload insert. Actually, I should rename this because we've already uploaded a 3, so this will be another one. And then we've got the drag and drop option, and I'm going to drag and drop it. It's not highlighting. It's not. Oops. Okay, I have to do it. I have to click in this box again. Let's see. See if we're getting a. Okay, now we got the blue. It's coming up, so we know it's going to work. So now it's being crunched, and here, instead of going to the gallery to insert it in the gallery and position it, instead of doing that, we can name it what we want. We'll just keep the test MP4, and if we wanted to put a picture associated with it, we would do it here. We'd get the link to the picture, and I'll show you that last. And then you insert into post. All right. So now it should be. Then you go to. You can see it there. It's test MP3 we'll do an update, and then we'll go to your music page and do a refresh, and it should be an individual MP3 rather than part of the playlist there. Well, why not? It's not working. Damn. Oh no, there it is. Good. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, it's just a little further down. So you see, there's an individual MP3, and there it is. You could put some other code with a title or etc., and you could insert the picture if you wanted. So basically that's how you do it. And where you get the code for the pictures is you just, you've uploaded your media, say you've chosen a little picture for that MP3, and what I did is I had uploaded it to my library, where is it? It's the CD right here, and then you can select it, and that's where you'll find the information for the code. So here's your CD image that you see right on your page here. When you click on that little image right there, I sized it properly, and its dimensions are 130 by 130, and I named it. And here's where it says file URL. That's the code that references. You just grab that copy and then when you go to your page and paste it into your MP3 player, you can have that picture show up with the MP3. I'll show you how to do that again. I'm just going to the music. I'm going to upload insert, and I'm going to the gallery, and you'll see another MP3 in there, the test 4. I'm going to see it's right there. I'm going to show, and then under the caption I can paste in the URL or the link to the picture, and it'll save all changes. And then once that's done, we'll just test it. And I'm just going to close this since we've already saved it, and we'll see how it looks. Just doing a refresh on the music page, and now when we click on that, it should show up. Actually, it didn't. Well, I don't want to have this movie go on forever, so I'm just going to assume that it's close to that, but no. Oh well. For the sake of brevity, I'm going to finish this movie now, and